Financial behavior is often shaped by assumptions people rarely question. Those quiet assumptions guide everyday choices about money. This report examines 3 stealth beliefs that influence financial stability. These beliefs usually operate below conscious awareness. They shape how we budget, save, and spend. The first belief treats money as a measure of self-worth. People act to protect identity rather than financial goals. That can lead to overspending to maintain an image. Belief 2 dismisses small expenses as insignificant. Repeated minor purchases quietly erode a budget over time. Belief 3 assumes earning more will automatically solve problems. Income gains can help, but mindset still directs financial choices. Together, these beliefs create predictable patterns of risk. They affect whether we save, splurge, or defer planning. They also shape responses to windfalls and setbacks. The good news is these beliefs are not fixed. Awareness is the first step toward change. Start by naming the specific belief influencing a decision. Track small spending and identify recurring patterns. Replace identity-driven spending with values-aligned financial goals. Set firm rules for incidental purchases and automate savings. Plan how extra income will be used before it arrives. Test small habit changes and measure the results. Seek simple accountability through friends, apps, or a coach. In the next segments, we will examine each belief in depth, review budgets monthly, and adjust them as needed. Build systems that reduce reliance on willpower. Remember that small changes compound over time. Be patient. Beliefs shift slowly but predictably. Belief 1 is that money equals personal worth. This belief links self-esteem to the number in an account. When money defines value, people chase status purchases to prove themselves. They buy things to feel seen and to silence insecurity. Others react by avoiding financial facts to protect their self-image. They skip budgets, ignore statements, and defer confronting their money story. Both reactions quietly erode long-term security and freedom. Fix this by separating identity from your financial picture. Practice affirmations and activities that build self-worth outside of spending. Track spending with curiosity rather than judgment to gather facts. Choose value-based spending that aligns with what truly matters to you. Celebrate non-monetary wins to rewire how you measure success. Belief 2 is that small purchases do not matter. Those daily micro-spends slip past intentions and dissolve budgets over time. Alone, each purchase feels harmless and invisible. Together, they add friction to savings and slow progress toward goals. Budgets fray when leaks are ignored or minimized. Stop this by tracking every expense, including the tiny ones. Use simple tools or a quick habit to log purchases as they happen. Set intentional limits for discretionary spending and review them weekly. Automate a portion of income to savings so small buys never reach it. Belief 3 is that more income will automatically fix problems. A higher paycheck often fuels lifestyle inflation and higher recurring costs. People raise spending to match a new income without improving systems. That keeps the same problems but with a bigger budget. Replace this belief by treating extra income as a strategic tool. Build rules for raises and windfalls that prioritize savings and debt paydown. Automate increases to savings and investments before increasing lifestyle. Create clear financial goals and use new income to accelerate them. Small systems, steady tracking, and healthier beliefs change financial outcomes. Now for fast fixes and practical takeaways. Start by separating your self-worth from net worth. Your value is not a bank balance. Write down personal strengths and achievements unrelated to money. Use reminders that identity is separate from finances. Avoid checking balances when you feel low. Talk about money without tying it to your self-image. Next, track small recurring expenses. They add up more than you think. Review subscriptions and auto payments every month. Use simple lists or a budgeting app. Cancel what no longer serves you. Set alerts for unusual spending patterns. Third, build a plan for every income increase. Decide in advance how extra money will be used. Allocate portions to savings, debt, and goals. Pre-commit part of raises to long-term priorities. Delay lifestyle upgrades until priorities are funded. Automate transfers so choices do not rely on willpower. Small systems beat sporadic motivation. Combine these fixes into simple habits. Use one habit at a time to avoid overwhelm. Check progress regularly and adjust as needed. Celebrate small wins to reinforce new beliefs. Remember that beliefs change slowly. Awareness is the essential first step. Consistency is what builds lasting financial resilience. Start today and keep going. You can retrain how you think about money. This is the end of the series. Thank you for watching and taking action. Treat small wins as data, not identity. Schedule a quarterly money check-in. Share goals with an accountability partner. Limit impulse purchases by adding a cooling-off period. Focus on habits, not on instant perfection. Financial resilience grows through repeated, responsible choices. Keep learning about money in small steps. Change takes time, but steady effort compounds. End with commitment to awareness and consistent action. Start now. You've got this. Like this video, subscribe to Mind Code, and start taking back control of your mind.